episode 8. I am going to teach how to cook the sushi salmon today that we sell in our restaurant. Basically, it's salmons in the red curry paste, a dry one. Anyway, so I would say main ingredient is the red curry paste that I teach earlier, and then the sugar. That's what we need. Lime leaves, chopped garlic, fish sauce, and of course coconut milk. And then I got 3 or 4 pieces of the raw salmon. So let's start with how we're going to cook this. So we start with we should add half teaspoon of the cooking oil. Then add 1/4 spoon red curry paste. You can put 1.5 if you want. Then we just make sure that we just stir fry for a second. Half of the half teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, and stir fry a little bit. 200 grams of coconut milk, one full spoon of sugar, half spoon of the fish sauce, pinch of the lemon leaf you got, and we'll cook for about 2 minutes until it's slimming down a little bit. Then we add our salmon. Until it's cooked for 2 minutes. And that is ready to serve. Fantastic. If you prefer to deep fry your salmon, of course you can. And then we will top up with sweet basil and use a little tiny bit of the coconut milk, and that will be ready to serve sushi salmon. And thank you for watching.